Hi, have you heard about this eco-friendly way of producing 100% healthy food at home called aquaponics? My name is Jonathan. I founded a company called Melbourne Aquaponics, and we offer aquaponics system for private backyard. Aquaponics presents many advantages as we work with nature and not against nature. I deeply believe in permaculture and especially aquaponics as a way of producing healthy and sustainable food. Aquaponics is actually not so complicated once you understand the basic principles. I deeply believe that aquaponics can improve the world, and that's the reason why I want to spread this technique. I offer you a 1-hour free webinar to introduce you to aquaponics. We will see how aquaponics works, what are the main advantages of aquaponics, and what kind of crop you can grow in aquaponics. If you are interested in nature, in sustainability, in quality food and healthy food, this webinar is for you. Please share this video. We want to help as many people as possible to produce their own sustainable and healthy food. Together we will change the way the world is producing and eating food. This webinar could change your life forever. Book now for your free aquaponics webinar tickets.